Hello kids, welcome back. I hope you all are safe and sound at home. So kids, we were doing HCF, right? And I have told you these two first method. Today we are going to learn division method. Yes, division method. You can also call it successive division method, right? Yes, so let's start. So the question is, find the HCF of 28 and 35 by the division method, right? Okay, so kids, this is very easy. It's my personal favorite also because I find it the easiest method among all. So let's start. First step is divide the bigger number to the smaller number. Correct? So bigger number is 35 and smaller is 28. So we will divide 35 by 28. Correct? 28 into 1, 28, right? Now subtract. I got 7 as a remainder. Correct? Now, this is the first step. Okay? Second step is remainder becomes the divisor and the previous divisor becomes the dividend. Okay? I'll show you how. So, this is the remainder. Now, it will be a new divisor and the previous divisor, that is 20, yeah, it will be now dividend. Correct? Next step is continue this process till you get 0 as the remainder. Okay, firstly solve this step. 7 4s are 28. 7 into 4, 28. Yes, I got 0 as a remainder. Right? So the third step was continue this process till you get 0 as a remainder. Correct? Now we have to stop. And last step, for the last divisor is the HCF. And last divisor is 7. Okay, so HCF of 28 and 35 is 7. 7 is the answer. Easy students, firstly divide the bigger number by a smaller number, right? Then you will get the remainder, right? Stop here. And the second step is the old divisor will be your dividend and this remainder will be your new divisor. You have to continue this process till you get 0 as a remainder. I got 0, so I have stopped here, and my HCF will be the last divisor here. Okay, let's take one more example. So find the HCF of 288 and 540. Correct? So first step is, yes, tell me, divide the bigger number and smaller number, right? Bigger will be the dividend and this will be your divisor. We know that 288 into 1 is 288. Correct? Now subtract. I'll be getting 2, 5, 2. Correct? This is my remainder. Next is, this remainder will be your new divisor and the old divisor will be your new dividend. Correct? ये अंदर आ जाएगा. Now again 252 into 1, 252. If I subtract, I'll be getting 36. Again continue this step, continue this process. This 36 will be your, yes, new divisor and 252 will be your new dividend. Same step you have to continue till you get 0 as a remainder. 36. We know that 36 sevens are 252. Simple division, kids. Okay. Yes, I got 0 as a remainder. Now I have to stop. And my last divisor means 36 will be my HCF. So HCF of 288 and 540 means 288 and 540 is 36. Okay. Good. So students, do all the question and send the homework pics to me. And if you still feel any problem, you can ask the questions to me. I will be very happy to help you all. Here's your homework is fifth question. So we have to do this by division method. So attempt all these questions by using division method. Next is sixth question. They are saying find the largest number. Largest number means HCF. So A part means you have to go for HCF. B part, greatest number, largest number, biggest number, that states only HCF. Okay, that means you have to go for HCF. So in these two questions also you have to find HCF, nothing else. And as they have not mentioned any method, any particular method, so you can go for any method. It's your choice. Whichever method you find easier, you can do these questions by that method. Okay.